Hey guys, in this video let's see about orthopnea. In the first slide you can see I have added some pictures like the patient lying around 45 degree and sitting can breathe better, while the patient on lying down have the difficulty in breathing. Okay, let's come to the definition of orthopnea. What is orthopnea? It's a condition that causes shortness of breath while lying down. The feeling is characterized by tightness in the chest and is often described as air hunger, as one feels that they are not able to breathe enough and feel a deficit of oxygen. Orthopnea can be relieved by sitting up or elevation of head with pillows. Orthopnea generally occurs within 1 to 2 minutes after lying down. The orthopnea is applicable only in certain positions. Broadly categorized by being horizontal, the different variations are as supine position, prone position, left lateral recumbent position, right lateral recumbent position. Then coming to the mechanism of orthopnea. Shortness of breath is caused by increased blood pressure in the veins connecting the heart to the lungs. These veins are supposed to take the oxygenated blood to the heart, where the left ventricle pumps this oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. Given that the left ventricle is supposed to pump blood to the entire body, the muscles that make up the walls of the left ventricle are the strongest of the all heart muscles. However, if these muscles aren't strong enough, the output of the right ventricle may be more than what the left ventricle is capable of pumping into the aorta in order to circulate blood to the rest of the body. As a result, higher blood pressure is created in the veins that bring this blood to the heart from the lungs. This causes higher blood pressure around the lungs, so the person cannot breathe enough or easily and feels a deficit of oxygen. So what I am trying to say is, the effort taken by the lungs to bring the oxygenated blood to the heart becomes more difficult and the pressure builds up in the lungs. Blood distribution when sitting or standing is more in the lower body, feet, etc. due to obvious action of gravity. When we lie down, however, this blood redistributes to the lung area. For normal people, this change is small and compensated for by the powerful pumping of the left ventricle. However, for the people with orthopnea, their hearts cannot make up for the increase in pressure around the lungs. So, when they lie down, they experience shortness of breath. The increased blood pressure can also cause an increase in fluid accumulation in the lungs, known as pulmonary edema, which hinders gas exchange and leads to difficulty in breathing while lying down. The weakness of left ventricle muscles can also lead to heart failure or congestive cardiac failure. Coming to the symptoms of orthopnea, apart from tightness in the chest, the extra effort needed to breathe and the discomfort one feels due to the lack of oxygen when lying down, there are few other indicators that a person must look out for: swollen feet or ankles, intermittent chest pain, and coughing more often. Coming to the treatment of orthopnea, in general, people with orthopnea are advised to sleep in a slightly more upright position, like with a few pillows below their head or even in a tilting bed. However, this only helps get rid of the comfort, not the underlying problem. In order to reduce fluid accumulation, doctors may prescribe diuretics, which are medicines that help the body get rid of excess water and fluids. A reduction in sodium intake also contributes to decreasing fluid accumulation. Thank you guys. Hope you guys understood the video. If you have any suggestions about the video, please do comment in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe. Let's see in the next video.